watching Listed Live here on Facebook Live, where we give you a guided tour of the hottest homes for sale in San Diego. And our next one is in downtown with Jennifer Rierson. Howdy.
Hi.
How you doing?
I'm doing well, thank
Awesome.
you.
What building is this that we're looking at?
This is an Aperture. It's
Aperture.
in Little Italy. Sophisticated urban community that has a lot of culture in it. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,179 square feet. It does come with 2 parking spots that
Wow.
are not tandem.
Really?
So that is a huge plus to this unit. This unit also has a lot of exposed concrete in the unit itself, so it gives a really urban vibe. It has updated, granite counters in the kitchen, modern cabinetry. There's a balcony that you can actually access from the living room or the master bedroom.
Nice.
So, and the master bedroom also has a walk-in closet, which is really awesome for downtown.
Well, Little Italy is just so great.
It's
just
amazing.
Such a great place to be.
It really
The restaurants, the vibe, the Italian guys, the old Italian guys that run that place, they keep it nice and clean.
is. Yes, they do.
They don't put up with any BS.
No.
So you don't have to worry about that. They got
No.
things taken care of.
For
you know
sure.
what I'm saying?
For sure.
So it's all good, especially if you live in the neighborhood. You'll know who I'm talking about. Just go and say what's up to them. They're very nice. So here's a look at the kitchen. Everything's really dialed in here too, which is nice.
Yes, there really isn't anything that you need to do when you move into this unit. It has hardwood maple flooring, as you can see. Lots of light. The windows are huge. It does have window treatments on it. We raised them for the pictures, but there are treatments, so you don't have to worry about that.
Yeah, you get some views there too, which is great.
You do. And I just love the concrete. I love that urban vibe that it puts off for sure.
It's so back now that people are actually doing concrete countertops.
Yes, I think those are really cool.
They're awesome.
They are.
But like, if you would have told me 10 years ago, hey, people are going to be doing concrete countertops,
No.
I would have been like, what? Are you sure?
Right.
But they're doing it. And this shot here really shows you the natural light that comes in.
It does.
On this unit, because it's just pouring in everywhere.
It does have great light.
And here's the master, I think.
Yes, this is the master. And you have your bathroom right in there, and then the walk-in closet is just on the other side. So plenty of room for all your shoes and clothes. And
That's really big.
yes.
I like the high ceilings too. What are these?
10 foot.
10? Yeah.
Mhm.
I said they look like at least 10.
Yes.
Which is really nice. Just creates that volume of space.
Yes. And you're not that far. You're a very short walk from Little Italy and the Aperture building. And our Embarcadero is right down the way if you want to go for a run, a walk, enjoy that San Diego evening sunset.
Yeah, it's terrific. And you do have the second bedroom too, which is really nice.
Yes.
Gives you options, which is cool. And you're at almost 1,200 square feet here, right?
Yes.
Just under 1,200? I mean, that's
Just
a
under.
very big 2-bedroom.
It really is. It
very,
really is.
very big. And you get the 2 parking spots. That's crazy.
That are not tandem.
Yeah, they're not
Yes.
tandem. That's important to mention. Now, is this one something you'll be holding open?
The HOA does not allow open houses, so unfortunately, I was really disappointed about that.
It'd be a great way to hold open.
Yeah,
People
it would be.
love it. People would be
It would
all
be.
over this thing. Well, they're just going to have to get in line, get in the queue
They will.
to see this one. Anything else we should know about the property?
I think that is about it.
Okay, well, it's a terrific listing in a great building in a great area, and we really appreciate you taking the time to come share with us today.
Thank you so much for
It's great
having
to
me. I
see you,
appreciate it.
Jennifer. You're
Good to
very
see
welcome.
you. Thanks.
Good to see you as well. That's a great opportunity there in Aperture. This is in downtown near Little Italy, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, almost 1,200 square feet. This beautiful unit that is really well done. You've got a nice balcony, great views, huge master, 10-foot ceilings, 2 parking spots, not tandem. Important note, especially in downtown. This one is not going to be held open, so you're going to have to contact Jennifer Rierson at the number on the screen if you would like to see this unit. I would do so soon. This is a great deal. You're watching Listed Live here on Facebook Live, where we give you a guided tour of the hottest homes for sale in San Diego and sometimes Menifee. Dave Moore's here to show us one. How you doing, man?
How are you? Good.
Great to see you. Tell us about this 3-bedroom you have in Menifee.
Well, it's a 55-plus community.
Okay.
The property itself has been totally redone at very good expense to what they put in.
Yeah, it looks great.
It's a 3-bedroom. It's 2,000 square feet. It's got a great backyard, private. It is in Menifee.
Yeah.
But it seems like a very active community. It's 55 plus, and they have every kind of poker club, golf club, swim club, dance club. They're very active up there.
Which is really cool. And 55 plus means that one person who
Has to
lives
be.
there has to be 55 or
Correct.
older. And you can see a huge pool here, and this home is over 2,000 square feet. I mean, it is big, man. For what you're asking here, I mean, this is a smoking deal. Look at this.
Yeah, they did a nice job.
They did a great job. Look how much cabinet space there is in this big old kitchen here. And I love the way that it opens up.
Very nice, very nice.
Yeah, it's really good looking.
I like the way it's set up in the kitchen because it has the TV and stuff. So if you have company, where do they all end up? In the kitchen.
That's
so
right.
they could all be there doing their thing and nobody be anywhere else in the house.
Everyone always ends up in the kitchen. Yeah, that's how it works. I love these floors too.
Very nice, very nice.
Lots of natural light coming in. Lots of space in this one. So 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, almost 2,100 square feet. You're looking for 375.9 to 380 somewhere in there.
Right.
Yeah. Here's the master.
Mm-hmm. Very nice. It's the 3 bedrooms, plenty of space. They've done everything to it.
Yeah, you don't need to do anything here. This is turnkey.
That's a spa tub, very nice walk-in closet, very nice.
Yep. Master bath right there. And these other bedrooms are really good size too.
Yeah, they are.
This secondary bedroom right here is huge.
And these folks just retired, so they've been living there, for a few years doing this. So
Yeah.
somebody else can take over.
Time for someone else to take over. Now, is this something that you're going to be holding open, Dave?
Yeah, she just showed it today, and she'll probably do one more open house as well.
Okay. Just not scheduled yet. Not sure what time.
I don't have it scheduled.
Okay, no problem. So we can say private showings though for sure here.
Yes.
So 55 community. Now, for people who may not know, where this is, where is it in Menifee?
That's a good question.
Yeah.
No, it's in Menifee. It's in a development there. I haven't seen the house.
Gotcha.
I'm covering for our agent here that was still up there. She was actually showing the house.
She's showing the house.
She's
Okay.
showing the house.
Gotcha. So you're covering.
Yeah, so I haven't seen it. I've just seen the pictures and got the feedback from her.
Okay. Well, it's a beautiful home.
It is. That's why I was quite surprised. So I've been to Menifee, a few times, but it's so I don't know exactly the location.
Okay. No worries. Well, it's an awesome home, and we appreciate you taking the time to come in, pinch hit today,
Sure.
and share this with us here on Listed Live.
No problem.
Great to see you,
Appreciate
Dave.
it.
Thank you very much. my
Thank
friend.
you.
That's a great opportunity there in Menifee. We were just talking earlier about how, Temecula, Murrieta, Menifee, this is like where the new San Diego dream is because of the price points. And look how much house you get. Now, this is a 55 plus community, but in private showings only right now. We're not sure about open houses, so contact Dave Moore at the number on the screen if you'd like to see it. But what a beautiful home for $375.9 to $380. I mean, it's a great deal, huge value, and something you should look into if you're looking in that area or in that price range.